Welcome LEGO fans, I'm Holger, the Austrian brick fan from Carinthia in Austria, and today I've got here a complete different video because this video contains no speed build progress and of course, as you can see here, no LEGO set. I've got here from the brand Melgeek a LEGO compatible keyboard for your computer or laptop. This thing is called Pixel. So I've got here a Melgeek Pixel coming out soon. It is not available on their own website. Melgeek is not a small company, it's really big, and they have specialized on keyboards, and you can customize your keyboard. You can select switches, you can select overlays and so on. And now here they've got their first release version of the LEGO compatible keyboard. It's a mechanical switch keyboard. That's very great, especially when you're a gamer. And I think let us take a look in the box. First we have here the packaging, and that's from very high quality. We've got here, there you can see next page, and when we move this to the other side, then on the front there's changing the picture we see. That's really cool, I like it. And the packaging, I will switch the camera, is opened by this, and we can hear big minds, small dots, palette. There are several different versions of this keyboard. The differences are the color layout of the switches. You can see on the Melgeek homepage. I will link it in the description. And here is the keyboard. We have no number pad here on the right side. That is, for my personal opinion, missing. I really enjoy to have a number pad on my keyboard, because when you must type in many numbers, then that's of course better when you have a keypad. And let us take a first try of typing. Sounds great. And here, as I hope you can see that, on the upper side of the keyboard there are all over studs where you can put your LEGO bricks on. And these transparent plates here, and there beneath there are again studs you can put on LEGO bricks, plates, tiles, or what you want to put there. And on the back side of the keyboard there's also studs. That means you can customize the front and the back side of this keyboard. Really cool. I put it out here, and here is the small instruction. We'll come to the Pixel word as they're standing, and on the back there are several informations on the keyboard in several languages. And the keyboard has USB Type-C and wireless connectable with a battery inside with 3100 milliampere. That's great, so you can decide if you use a wired-based keyboard or a wireless keyboard. First box here, accessory box. I think there will be the connection cable inside. Let us open it. What is here inside? Oh, I think this is the USB connector. Yes, of course. It's the wireless connector, and it has stud on it as well. Cool. This is USB-A, of course. You can see it. And further, here's the cable. On the one side USB-A, on the other side USB-C. And here we have the tool to remove the caps. You can completely take apart the switches must try to do it. Here, I have it here. And you can, of course, take another one on site. There are studs on it as well. And one important thing when you come from Europe like me, this is not a quartz keyboard, it's a QWERTY keyboard. That means Y and Z are changed the position, and we have no, in German we say Ä, Ü and Ö. That means the letters A, U and O with the points above. I know in the English language those letters are not used, but in German it's used, and so you don't have this buttons for these keys. So, and in the last 3 boxes there are several bricks, plates, tiles, but they are not from Lego. I don't know from which manufacturer they are. There's nothing standing on the top of the studs, so it's fine that there are included some bricks that you can customize your keyboard, but for me I will of course only use Lego bricks to customize my keyboard, but this we will not do here in this video. So I will remove the packaging and let us take another look to this keyboard. Here is the on-off switch, I think, or is this changing the connection mode? I think that's changing the connection mode. We have here some control LEDs, and we have on the back side here, on the left and on the right, some lighting. Of course there's no lighting under the keys because there are several overlays you can put in here. There's a website for this where you can get some images from this. I will show you one moment. So I will show you. Here first there's the homepage of this Melgeek Pixel keyboard, and when we scroll down here you can see how it is customizable. There are no, the main features: fully customizable front and back, Lego inspired design, hot swappable RGB lights, wireless and wired mode, casket mount, infinitive possibilities with Lego bricks front and back, think outside of the key box and design your own keyboard. And there's the page geekmate.com, and I think we will take a look at this. And there we are, and there are several layouts you can put on front and back. And when you click on them, I will take this one here, then you have the back side of the keyboard, and then you can see which colors and which studs you must place to get this picture. And you can import your own picture to make your own design. And of course you can paint your design here and on this web page. So I think that's really cool, and it helps you to design your own keyboard. And here is of course the link to the Kickstarter project that started several days ago, and the goal was $50,000 and you can see it is reached more than affordable. It's nearly 10 times that what they needed. So we have nearly $500,000 with 2,211 supporters. And that means the keyboard will definitely be available in the future. So if you ordered one, the price is $199 here in the Kickstarter project, and the shipping will begin at the start of the next year. That's all information are on here on this Kickstarter page, and I will put it in the description. Of course, in this video I can't make a test with how it goes by typing here a text or something like this. My first thoughts is that maybe the distance between the keys is not really big. When I compare it to my normal keyboard here, then you can see that there is the gap between the keys definitely bigger. So that may cause some problems by typing in. But I think it's a nice gimmick to have such a keyboard when you're a Lego fan like me. And yes, I don't know what to say anymore to this thing. I love it. I find it really cool, and I will definitely make my own design for the front and the back, because when you have a small display stand, then you can, when you are ready with work, take your keyboard and put it into this, and then you have your back design in front of you, and I think that should look really cool. And now you're asked to write your thoughts and questions in the commentaries, and please leave your feedback, what you find to this kind of video, and of course what you find about this keyboard. And now I'm out. Up to the next time. See you. Bye bye.